Track 15. Speaking. Part 1, Worksheet 3.
1,
What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
2,
Do you enjoy playing sports? Which ones?
3,
Do you prefer to watch sports rather than take part in them?
4,
Do you enjoy doing things with other people?
5,
What are the most popular sports or hobbies in your country?
6,
What activities would you most like to try?
7,
Have you ever tried any extreme sports? Did you enjoy it?
8.
How did you spend last weekend?